Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Okay, today we are going to look at the largest gas station in Jamaica. Now when we say largest, it has over 30 pumps, which makes it larger than any other gas station in Jamaica. So the gas station is located off Mandela Highway. Well, it's located on Mandela Highway, I guess you could say. And there it is on the left, it's the Fesco gas station. And Fesco seems to be expanding in Jamaica because you have a lot of gas stations under the Fesco brand now. This one is Mandela Highway. There's one that recently opened on Beachwood Avenue, and there's one that recently opened in Mandeville as well. Heaven's gas station is now a Fesco. It used to be a Texaco, but it reopened under the name Fesco. Alright, so here you can see massive gas station. It's also a very busy gas station, and you have a convenience store in here where straight ahead on the left, and you also have a Tasty Patties location. And today is a Sunday, so you can see how busy it is, but during the week, oh my gosh, there's a line to access the gas station, the way it's so busy. And if you look, there's a lot of pumps. So Mandela Highway is the busiest road in Jamaica, so it's only natural that the gas station on Mandela Highway would be the busiest. I must say it was an excellent idea to build this gas station at this location. And if you look off Mandela Highway, you'll notice there are not a lot of, this section of Mandela especially, there are not a lot of business places. And to think it's the busiest road in Jamaica, you would think you would have more business places off it or on it. Alright, on the right, that's the ferry area. But as we're going back out onto Mandela Highway now, you're going to notice a lot of empty area, a lot of empty space. But that gas station, not in addition to being very large, it's also very busy. And of course, anywhere you put a Tasty location, Tasty sells patties in Jamaica, you know it's going to do well. So this is what I was talking about. Look at all the unused land on the left. Just empty land. And on the right as well, when you pass the ferry area. Now, to access the two main highways in Jamaica, which is the North-South Highway that takes you to Ocho Rios, and the PJ Patterson Highway that takes you to Old Harbour, Maypen, Mandeville. You access both those highways from Mandela Highway. Also, the two busiest places outside of the city of Kingston are Portmore and Spanish Town, and you access both those areas from off Mandela Highway. So it's a very busy road, and look at all the empty space on the left, all the empty space on the right. So hopefully more developments will be done down in this area. I'm sure it will be, it's just a matter of time. But it was an excellent idea to build a gas station on Mandela Highway. Or I guess you could say off Mandela Highway. So on the left now, that's the entrance to the PJ Patterson Highway that takes you to Old Harbour, Maypen, Mandeville. And further down you have, on the right, you have the entrance to the Edward Siaga Highway that takes you to Ocho Rios. Now, at this point, the road becomes 2 lanes. And that bridge straight ahead, that's the traffic coming from the PJ Patterson Highway to merge with Mandela. So where that road merges with Mandela, that's where it becomes 3 lanes again. So at this stoplight now, if you turn left, you go into Portmore. And Portmore has one of the largest populations in Jamaica. And Portmore is going to become a parish soon. That's how much people live in Portmore. A lot of communities over in Portmore. Okay, straight ahead on the right, that is where you would turn to access the Edward Seaga Highway. So when we continue on Mandela, it will take us to Spanish Town. We're coming up. Okay, when we reach there, we'll tell you. But we're coming up to an area called White Marl, and then another area called Central Village, and then we enter Twickenham Park, and then Spanish Town, the town of Spanish Town. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.